Hello, friends! We went shopping this morning. Now it's time to organize the fridge. Let's put the food in the right place. Look, we have 2 shelves and 2 categories, sweet and sour. And look at the bin, it says stale. Do you know what do they mean? Let me show you. Sweet means it tastes like sugar. Ooh, delicious. Sweet food makes us happy and it tastes good and soft. Let's see at the ingredients we have in here. Bananas. Yes, they are sweet. Strawberries. Wait a second, that's wrong. It's missing an R. Let's fix it. strawberries. Now, strawberries. Yes, very sweet. What about juice? No, that's not right. We need a C, not an S. Juice. And yes, juice is sweet too. Grapes. Are grapes sweet? Of course they are. Super. And wait a second. Lemon? No, I don't think lemon is sweet. No, lemon is sour. It goes to the other category. Yes, thank you. And wait a second. There is an extra ingredient not on the list, but on the shelf. What's that? Do you remember? Is that chicken or fish? It is chicken. And no, I'm sorry, chicken, it's not sweet. Goodbye, chicken. Now let's go and check the second category, sour. Sour means the food tastes sharp, a little bit funny in your mouth, like when you eat a lemon. So yes, the lemon is the first ingredient. Tastes sharp. Let's see, what about green apples? Yeah, they are sour, but wait a second. Apples, remember, we need to write it with 2 P's. So let's fix that tiny mistake. APPLE. Then we have one more ingredient. Pickles. Wait a second. What are pickles? Look at those. Okay. And are pickles sour? Yes, they are too. And what else? Look, on the shelf, not on the list, there is a yogurt. But that yogurt doesn't smell good. I think that yogurt is stale. So goodbye, yogurt. I'm sorry. And let's check, not in the list, but in the fridge, if there is anything else which is stale. Let's see. Look, let's look at the bread. Oh, the bread, how is it? It's dry, and yes, it has blue spots. That means it is stale. Goodbye, bread. And look at the cheese. Oh, yes, it smells terrible. I also think the cheese is stale. Goodbye. And that's it, guys. We did it. The list and the fridge looks perfect. See you next time and subscribe to keep learning English with us. Bye-bye.
Bienvenidos a Funny Friends School, el primer método de inglés público para niños. Si quieres que tus alumnos o tus hijos aprendan más rápido y mejor, solo tienes que seguir nuestro método. Ver 4 vídeos a la semana de 1 a 2 veces, para que integren de manera natural el vocabulario y la gramática. Todo está adaptado por etapas y siguen currículums oficiales, haciéndolo muy compatible con todos los programas escolares. Aquí vas a encontrar vídeos creativos para aprender vocabulario de forma algorítmica y súper divertida. Historias interactivas para practicar la producción y leer en voz alta. Y por último, la gramática, explicada de una forma muy divertida. Los niños que ven nuestros vídeos aprenden a hablar y a leer de forma más intuitiva y rápida. ¿Cómo puedes hacerlo? Visita nuestra web. Ahí lo verás todo por niveles, por unidades y por semanas. Muy fácil de seguir. Entra en nuestra comunidad gratis para recibir atención personalizado. Solo tienes que rellenar el formulario que dejamos aquí abajo. Consigue nuestros cuadernos, nuestros libros, tanto en la escuela como en casa, para cerrar el ciclo y practicar un poquito más. Y por último, te puedes inscribir en nuestros cursos online que abrimos 4 veces al año para niños de entre 6 a 12 años. Suscríbete al canal y asegura que los peques aprenden el inglés de la mejor manera que puedes.